sale to unknown destinations of 4.6 million bushels. Michelle Rook is back to talk it over in Markets Now.
Grains out lower on Tuesday. Ted Seifried, Zaner Ag Hedge, is back with us. And Ted, the sell-off, the broad-based sell-off that we saw in the grains on Tuesday, was that technical or was that weather?
Yeah, great question, Michelle. And I think specifically what's going on down in Brazil, their forecast is for rain. And the farther we go along, the more extended out that forecast gets. And there's more rain behind it, which at this point, Michelle, is pretty much reaching them towards the end of their growing season. And if they get the advertised forecast right now, I think we're adding bushels to that Brazilian corn crop rather than subtracting. So I think for that reason, there's a reason to take weather preview out of the market. But then for us, right? I mean, we've had a lot of rains here recently. It's really done a lot of things for the drought monitor. It's one of the better looking drought monitors that we've had in a while, aside from Northeast Iowa. Hopefully hopefully you guys get that rain soon as well. But it's a pretty good looking drought monitor. Yeah, we can say, oh, but now it's too wet and we're going to see planting delays, but it's really early for that. And the extended forecast does have a lot of opportunities, seemingly. Again, it's an extended forecast, so we'll see. But if that holds true, we're going to have a warmer, drier finish to the month. That means that, hey, planting could be gangbusters here in a week or two. And again, I'm just not seeing any major weather concern right now.
We should also point out that we have failed several times to get above and close above some of these really key moving averages, especially in the corn, haven't we?
Yeah. Technically speaking, corn has had the darndest time trying to get up and over its 50-day moving average. We haven't done it for more than a few hours at a time. We've not been able to close above it. Even on the big acreage report day, where acreage came in a lot less than expected, we weren't able to do it. And it just feels like the market's getting tired of trying to do it.
So with what you said, does that mean we're not going to get our typical spring weather rally?
Right. Springtime rally just might not be happening because you don't have an acreage battle between corn and beans. I think you've got adequate acres in both places for the moment. If anything, we've talked about it a lot. There was that 6.2 or 6.3 million acreage decline year over year in overall crop acreage. Maybe some of that's coming back, right? And you might not need price to encourage that.
Thanks for joining us. Ted Seifried, Zaner Ag Hedge. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.
For professional marketing advice specifically tailored to your needs, call Zaner Ag Hedge at 312